we have discussion on Bio E3. Bio here stands for biotechnology. E3 stands for economy, environment and employment. It is a policy framework and initiative taken by Department of Biotechnology with the help of Biotechnology Industry Research Assistance Council, a not-for-profit public sector enterprise facilitating a single window interface. Our entire study is divided into four sections. First section is concentrating on defining biotechnology and emerging trends. Second section concentrating on goals of Bio E3. Third section concentrating on pillars of Bio E3. And fourth section challenges and way out related with implementation and execution of Bio E3. Let us concentrate on first section. First, let us concentrate on defining biotechnology. So remember that biotechnology is an interface of biological components, systems, biochemical processes with technology which facilitate industrial and commercial bioeconomy with backward and forward linkages, facilitating production, distribution, exchange, and use. Biotechnology is broadly classified into non-gene and gene technology. Non-gene technology are also described as traditional biotechnology in form of cell and tissue culture, hybridization, hybridoma cell technology, in vitro fertilization. Gene technology, it is a sophisticated component of biotechnology. Here, units of heredity known as gene are directly manipulated and used. In gene technology, we consider genetic engineering, recombinant DNA technology, genome, gene manipulation, gene therapy, gene editing. Remember that in the current and contemporary period, biotechnology has interfaced with software and computer sciences known as bioinformatics. In the most recent times, now biotechnology has direct interface with sophisticated automation and artificial intelligence, which is known as biofoundry. This automation with the help of artificial intelligence is source of emerging synthetic biology which helps in designing, engineering, building and learning biotechnology in a very effective and efficient manner. The cycle of production, testing, commercial uses are significantly reduced with biofoundry. Now let us come down to goals of Bio E3. So Bio E3 is an integrated and holistic infrastructural, industrial and manufacturing and market network and ecosystem to realize bioeconomic potentials, environmental and ecological conservation with sustainability and larger and deeper human talent and skill pool. According to goals of Bio E3, the bioeconomy of India was $151 billion in 2023. It has to be realized up to $300 billion by the 2030 AD. With realization of bioeconomy, There is also concentration of green growth and development. Remember that now bioeconomic contributes 4.2% of GDP of India. India is third bioeconomy in Asia and 12th bioeconomy in the world. Now bioeconomy with environment and ecology, with income and employment is connected with realization of goals of Viksit Bharat by 2047, net zero carbon economy by 2070, and lifestyle for environment, ecology, and its sustainability. Now let us discuss pillars of BioE3. These are the 6 pillars of BioE3. First pillar is concentrating on bio-based chemicals and enzymes, replacing petrochemical and chemical and enzymes. Second pillar is concentrating on nutrient-rich sustainable food, which is also described as functional food and smart proteins. Third pillar is advanced gene-based therapies, precision biotherapeutics with the help of genomics. Fourth pillar is concentrating on climate resilient agriculture with stress tolerant crops and targeted biodegradable, environmentally safe inputs. Fifth pillar is concentrating on carbon capture and utilization with biological methods to reduce net carbon emission to realize goals of net zero carbon economy by 2070-80. And sixth pillar is connecting biotechnology with cutting edge most modern technology related with marine and space research. Now there are multiple challenges involved in safe implementation, execution of BioE3 policy for effective, efficient, economic, environmental, and employment uses. Challenges are classified into following category. First challenge is related with infrastructural deficit. Second are ethical challenges related with right to privacy, biosafety. Third challenge is related with ambiguities on intellectual property rights, ensuring rights of the farmers, safety of the consumers, and fourth challenge is related with gap between demand and supply of skilled workforce, which could be interfering with interconnecting backward and forward linkages of bioeconomy in India and interconnecting bioeconomy in India with the global economies. Now let us come out to way out to overcome the problems created by challenges. So these are the way out. There must be greater interface and partnership between industry and academia. There must be open, transparent, and accountable intellectual property rights and related regimes. There must be accountable and transparent biosafety measures, clinical trials before products of bioeconomy are introduced in market for consumers. There must be safeguards for right to farmers, right to consumers, and most importantly, there must be stronger financial support to support an emergence of a strong network and ecosystem to realize goals and pillars of BioE3. Thank you all.